Hello students, we are solving the IB Math A AGL past papers and currently we are solving the IB Math A AGL May 2021 paper 1 time zone 2 past paper. And today we will be solving question number 10 of this paper. You will be getting the links to all the previously solved questions of this paper and of the other papers in the description area in form of playlists. So without any further delay, let us start with the question number 10. Maximum mark is 15 and it says consider the function f defined by f of x equal to 6 plus 6 cos x for x between 0 and 4 pi both included. The following diagram shows the graph of y equals f of x. Okay, this is the graph of f of x and let me just write the function expression over here. F of x is equal to 6 plus 6 cos x and x is between 0 to 4 pi. See, this is the function expression 6 plus 6 cos x and x is between 0 to 4 pi. And saying the graph of f touches the x-axis at points A and B as shown. The shaded region is enclosed by the graph of y equals f of x and the x-axis and between the points A and B. Fine, that we are seeing. And now there's a part A. Find the x coordinates of points A and B. Has to be because the y coordinates will be 0. To find the x coordinates of A and B. Fine. So for the points A and B, the y coordinates will be equal to 0. So the function value will be equal to 0. And what is the function expression? It is 6 plus 6 cos x. So I can equate this to 0. So 6 plus 6 cos x is equal to 0. Or 6 cos x equal to negative 6 or cos x equal to negative 1. For what values of x between 0 and 4 pi will cos x be having a value of negative 1? If we just draw these two axes, this is the starting position of the revolving ray on top of the positive side of the x-axis. So the angle is 0 at the starting point. And cos of 0 is 1, not negative 1. And then the revolving ray starts to move along the anti-clockwise direction because the angles will be positive angles. And it comes to this point. So the angle made is in the anti-clockwise direction, obviously, because it is a positive angle. The angle is a straight angle or pi. And we know cos pi equal to negative 1. So one of the x values will be equal to negative 1. You can see. Let us see. We have got one of the x values as negative 1. And the revolving ray is not stopping over here. It is completing the full revolution and coming back to this point. And at this point, the angle made is 2 pi, one full revolution. Since it has come back to its starting point, the angle is cos 2 pi, but the position is the same. So it is actually equal to cos 0. Cos 0 equal to 1. So cos 2 pi is also equal to 1. And it is not stopping over here because it will be going up to 4 pi. So it continues and it comes to this point. Now the angle made is 2 pi plus pi, that is 3 pi. And now since it has the revolving ring has come to the same position as pi, value of the cosine function will also be the same. The angle is the same. Angle is not the same, but the position of the revolving ray is the same. So the value will be the same. So cos pi equal to, or cos 3 pi equal to cos pi equal to -1. Therefore, another value of x that we are getting is 3 pi. So we can write this x coordinate of point A will be pi, and for B it will be 3 pi, because after 3 pi it comes to this position and it completes 4 pi. It will be stopping over here. It will not be moving for another revolution or another half revolution, quarter revolution. It will be stopping over there. So the x coordinate of point A is pi, and x coordinate of point B is 3 pi. Okay. So we have answered subpart A and we have got 3 marks. Coming to subpart B, it says show that the area of the shaded region is this, is 12 pi. And what is the shaded region? The shaded region is enclosed by the graph of y equals f of x and the x-axis and between the points A and B. So we know we have to integrate. Okay. So that was subpart A actually. This was the working of subpart A. And now we come to the subpart B. Let me just show you the function expression. That is the function expression. 6 plus 6 cos x dx. And what will be the limits? From pi to 3 pi. Okay. And we have to show that the region, the area is 12 pi. The answer is also given to us. So we know what we have to get. Fine. So we'll be integrating. This will be 6x. If we integrate 6 with respect to x, so we get 6x. And for plus 6 cos x, it is containing 5 marks, so it is better if I separate the integrands. Just to show, because it is containing 5 marks, I'm just separating this. Cos x dx. Okay. So integration of dx with 1 dx is x actually. So it will be 6 x pi to 3 pi plus 6 integration of cos x with respect to x is sin x. So sin x 6, these are constants, so we can take these outside the integration sign. Therefore, you could have kept 6 inside also, doesn't matter, you will be getting the same thing. I've kept it outside because it is a constant. Okay. And we are not having any constant of integration because we are having the limits. So this is 3 pi minus pi plus 6 sine 3 pi minus sine pi. And 3 pi minus pi is 2 pi. This is 6 times 2 pi plus 6 times sine 3 pi is 0. Sine pi is also equal to 0. So 6 times 0. 0 minus 0 is 0, which is equal to 12 pi. They had asked us to show that the area is 12 pi. We have shown. And this is not all. Don't think that there are only two subparts for this question. Question number 10, it is a question, the first question of section B. We are having two more subparts. I'm bringing them. The right cone in the following diagram has a total surface area of 12 pi, equal to the shaded area in the previous diagram. The cone has a base radius of 2, height h, and slant height L. Subpart C says find the value of L, and they have given us this information that the total surface area of this cone is equal to 12 pi. So what is the formula for the total surface area? It will be the surface area of the base circle and the curved surface area. So total surface area is equal to base area of base circle plus the curved surface area. Okay? So area of the base circle is pi r squared and r is equal to 2. So it is pi times 2 square, and curved surface area is pi rl. If you have forgotten the formulas, you will be getting them in the formula booklet. I am just writing the formulas. If you want, you can verify these formulas from your formula booklet. Okay. So in place of r, I am just substituting the value of r as 2. The curved surface area is pi rl, so it will be pi times r is 2 times L, and this total surface area is equal to 12 pi, given, is equal to 12 pi. Okay? So this is given. Therefore, 4 pi plus 2 pi L is equal to 12 pi, or 2 pi L is equal to 12 pi minus 4 pi, that is 8 pi. Therefore, L is equal to 8 over 2, that is 4. Okay. So value of L is equal to 4 units. Okay. And subpart D, the final subpart of this question number 10, says, hence find the volume of the cone. Okay. What is the formula for volume of the cone? It is 1/3 volume of the cone is equal to 1/3 pi r square h. H is the height. Now we have to find the height because we know r is 2. So we have to get the height. We know r, we know the L is 4. Therefore, we will be using the Pythagoras theorem to get the value of h first of all. So it is 2 square plus h square is equal to L square. So 4 plus h square is equal to, L was equal to 4. So 4 square is 60. Therefore, h square is equal to 16 minus 4, that is equal to 12. Or h will be equal to square root of 12. 12 is 4 times 3. So it is 2 root 3. Okay. Now that we know the value of h, we know the value of r, we can find the volume of the cone. Therefore, volume of the cone is equal to 1/3 times pi times r square is 2 square times 2 root 3. Okay. So this will be equal to 2 square times 2 is 2 to the power of 3, that is 8. So we can write 8 root 3 pi, 8 root 3 pi over 3. Because I cannot, if I cancel the root 3 and 3, I'll be getting a root 3 in the denominator. So I'm leaving it as it is. Unit to the power of 3. Okay. So it is 8 times root 3 times pi over 3. And we have solved question number 10 completely. And thank you for staying with me till the end. I'm Nilanjana Sanyal. I tutor IB Math A, SL and HL students from inside India and outside India. And I'm starting my group online math tutoring sessions for the IB Math A, SL and HL students from the month of July. If any one of you is interested in joining my classes, please contact me. You may contact me through my by emailing me, or you may WhatsApp me, you may call me. You are getting my WhatsApp number, you are seeing by my email ID getting displayed. So you may contact me for more details. Okay. So we will be meeting very soon with our next session. In our next session, where we will be solving the question number 11 of this paper. So till then, bye.